the Basement Watchdog.
Hi, I'm Alan Schulman, founder and CEO of Glentronics. We're the company that makes the Basement Watchdog line of products. Today, I want to show you our dual AC sump pump float switch. Our initial product line were battery backup sump pumps. And they always had a dual float switch attached, so if one works, if something happens to it, the second switch takes over and gives you more insurance. But we never really sold primary, what I call AC pumps. And the reason is we really didn't have anything unique to offer. Why offer something if it's not unique? Well, I came up with an idea and got a patent on a dual caged float switch that works with a primary pump. We made it simple to use and easy, and we wanted to make sure that this cage switch has a lot of things to make sure it's always clear and always will go up and down. On the bottom of the cage there's a convex angle here, so when the water comes in, it literally washes off. There's little holes in the bottom, lets the water filter out. The size of these gaps are made just so material, something floating around can't get it. We went through a whole bunch of things to make sure this is always going to turn on, always reliable. And so how it works is this just simply plugs into your AC outlet that you have already. You plug the pump into it, and now water rises, switch goes up, controller says supply electricity to the AC pump. Pump turns on, does its work. And when the float goes down, it's got a little brain, a little timer in it, and it says, hey, run the pump for an extra 10 seconds because the float's up here. I want the water to go all the way down, 10 seconds. Water's all the way down, doesn't have to turn on for quite a while. So this could be either the switch that comes with, like our BWT 050 is a half horsepower sump pump, comes with it. But you can use it as a replacement switch for any pump that you have that has what we call a piggyback plug, something that plugs in the wall. You piggyback your primary, so whatever brand it is, if it's a piggyback switch, this could be a great replacement. You can substitute this. The old switch and switches do go out. Throw that one away from the other pump, put this in, you've created dual floats, more reliability. You really want to make sure your pump turns on. So when looking for this, you go online, basementwatchdog.com, Amazon has them, homedepot.com. There's a lot of outlets. When you go to our Watchdog site, you got to where to buy. Available in many, many places, very affordable. Something to think about, added security in your basement. Thanks for watching.
The Basement Watchdog, watching out for you. Visit us at basementwatchdog.com to learn more.